Hello everyone, my name is Nachatra Sharma. I am from India and today I will be presenting the functionality of Project Zero from CS50 web development with Python and JavaScript. So I had to develop the front end of a Google search page using HTML and CSS. In this video, I will be showcasing the specification of this project, also providing timestamps in the description below. As for the first specification, indeed, the project has three pages with the first one being called index.html, and then we have advanced and image search. Advanced and image search. For the second specification, if we want to use Google search, we only have to type something, for instance, Harvard. Then click on Google search. We are redirected to the Google search page with the most relevant result for Harvard. Going back, we can observe the corners of the search bar and the buttons is centered and it's over as well. Now for the image search, we that the third specification, if we type in Harvard again, and click on Google search, it will be provided picture of Harvard University. Again, the aesthetics of this page match Google type image typically front end, and fourth item on the list is advanced search. Let's go for CS50 with the exact word Harvard and type of these words edx and web. We click on the button and we are redirected to the some relevant searches respecting the condition and the criteria we have given earlier. Fifth, we can observe that the text is aligned on the left and the options are stacked vertically, and the last but not least, the button is in blue and fixed, and we can see the I am feeling lucky button actually working. As for the seventh working, and as for the seventh, we can observe that the style resemble in the general to the normal Google page. Thank you for watching. I am really looking forward to hearing your feedback. My name is Nachatra Sharma and this was Search.